In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a SurveyMonkey link. This process is straightforward, but to make sure you get it right the first time, let's go through each step together. First, let's open your preferred web browser and head on over to the SurveyMonkey website. Once you're there, you'll notice a login button typically located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. If you're not already logged in, this will take you to a page where you can choose your preferred login method. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's log in using a Google account. Click on the Google option and you'll be prompted to select which account you'd like to use. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to choose the one associated with your SurveyMonkey account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be redirected to the SurveyMonkey homepage. Here you'll see various options and projects listed. Go ahead and navigate to the homepage and select Projects. Look for the survey you've created that you want to share the link for. Click on your chosen survey to open it. When your survey is open, turn your attention to the menu options. You're going to want to click on the tab labelled Collect Responses. This is where SurveyMonkey allows you to set up different ways to send out your survey. Among the options presented, look for the one that says Send Surveys Your Way and click on it. This section is crucial as it gives you a variety of options on how you can share your survey. Now find the option labelled Share a Survey Link. Clicking this will generate a unique link specifically for your survey. It's important to make sure you are satisfied with your survey and settings before copying this link, as any changes to the survey may affect data collection. Finally, you're going to see a button that says Copy. Click on this to copy your survey link to your clipboard. Once copied, you can paste this link into emails, social media posts, or any other platform where you want to share your survey. Remember to test the link yourself to ensure it directs respondents correctly to your survey, and there you have it. Following these steps will ensure you've successfully copied and can now share your SurveyMonkey link with ease. This is a great way to gather valuable responses for your survey efficiently. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.